Friends, welcome to Learn Kannada classes. Today we will learn and discuss how to express or communicate the numbers in Kannada language. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, like that. In Kannada, learning to express in Kannada language is very easy. First, you have to memorize 1 to 20. You have to memorize between 1 to 20. Then afterwards 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. After 100, 1000. After 1000, lakh. After lakh, it is crores. If you remember or bhaya this, and then afterwards you can express any word. I think at the end of this session, you are able to tell what is 12 crores, 34 lakhs, 56,789 in Kannada. Please follow and concentrate, sir. Because tomorrow and day of tomorrow, that is Saturday and Sunday, is holiday for you. I think you can go through this one or two this video. I think you can learn how to express the numbers. Okay, I am telling you now. Now 1 to 20 you have to memorize. What is 1 to 20? 1 means ಒಂದು. 2 means ಎರಡು. 3 means ಮೂರು. 4 means ನಾಲ್ಕು. 5 means ಐದು. 6 means ಆರು. 7 means ಏಳು. 8 means ಎಂಟು. 9 means ಒಂಬತ್ತು. 10 means ಹತ್ತು. 11 means ಹನ್ನೊಂದು. 12 means ಹನ್ನೆರಡು. 13 means ಹದಿಮೂರು. 14 means ಹದಿನಾಲ್ಕು. 15 means ಹದಿನೈದು. 16 means ಹದಿನಾರು. 17 means ಹದಿನೇಳು. 18 means ಹದಿನೆಂಟು. 19 ಹತ್ತೊಂಬತ್ತು. 20 ಇಪ್ಪತ್ತು. Then afterwards 21, 22, we'll just leave it. Then directly go to 30, 30, 40, 40, 50, 50, 60, 60, 70, 70, 80, 80, 90, 90, 100, 100. Okay. Then afterwards 1000. 1000 means ಸಾವಿರ. Lakh means laksha. Crore means koti. I will repeat again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 30, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. That means 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. ಸಾವಿರ, ಲಕ್ಷ, ಕೋಟಿ. If you just memorize this, I think you can do everything. Now we will start with some of the examples. I will tell you examples is, suppose first is, what is 80? I think it is already, I have already circulated this. I think you might have taken a printout also. Otherwise just see the tables I have sent. What is 80? 80 means ಎಂಬತ್ತು. What is 14? 14 means ಹದಿನಾಲ್ಕು. What is 8? 8 means ಎಂಟು. What is 20? 20 means ಇಪ್ಪತ್ತು. Like this it is there. Now the next higher denomination is, suppose if it is 100. 100 means ಒಂದು ನೂರು. 200 means ಎರಡು ನೂರು. 300 means ಮೂರು ನೂರು. 400 means ನಾಲ್ಕು ನೂರು. 500 means ಐದು ನೂರು. Okay, 100 means ನೂರು. ದೆನ್ ಯು ಟೆಲ್ 1 ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಒಂದು 100 ಮೀನ್ಸ್ 100, 200 ಮೀನ್ಸ್ 200 200 like that. But there are small ones, this one is there what happens, suppose if you are telling 100 100 you have to tell. Suppose if it is 200 200 you have to tell. But suppose if it is 120 then you have to 100 ಆ ಥರ ಹೇಳಬಾರ್ದು. ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಟೆಲ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್. 100 ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್, ದಟ್ ರೂ ರಿಮೂವ್. 120 ದಟ್ಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್, ದಟ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್. ನಾವು ಯು ಟೇಕ್ 330. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ಟೇಕ್ 300. 300 ಮೀನ್ಸ್ 300. 300 ಮೀನ್ಸ್ 3. 3 ಮೀನ್ಸ್ 3. 100 ಮೀನ್ಸ್ 100. 300 ಮೀನ್ಸ್ 300. ಓಕೆ. Now, suppose if I want to tell 320, 300 is there, you make 320. Suppose 450, I take first 400. 400 means 400, you have to tell. Suppose if it is 450, then we have to tell 450. 450. Ru, you have to make ra. 450. That is 450. Okay. Let us start some of the numbers we have given. 101. What is 101? 101. 101 means 100 means 100. 101 means 1. 101. Next number it is given is 120. What is 120? 100 means 120. 120. Suppose it is 400, 400. 400. Suppose 430, 430. 430. Next is you take 1480. 1480. 1000 means 1000. 1000 means 1000. 400 means 400. 400. 80 means 80. 80. 80. 1480. Next you take 20,540. What is 20,000? 20 means 20. 20,000. 20,000. 540. 5 means 5. 500. 500. 40. 40. 40. 20,000. 20,000. 540. Okay. Now next example I will take 20 lakhs 17,320. 20 lakhs 17,320. What is 20 lakhs? 20. 20 means 20. 20 laksha. 20 laksha. 20 laksha. 17,000. 17 means 17. 17,000. 17,000. 320 means 320. 320. I will repeat it again. 20 laksha 17,000 320. I will go to 1 crore. 1 crore 20 lakhs 30,330. 1 crore 20 lakhs 30,330. That one is how to learn. 1 crore means 1 koti. 1 means 1. 1 koti. 20 lakhs. 20 lakhs means 20 laksha. 20 laksha. 20 means 20. 20 laksha. 30,000. 30,000. 30,000. 330. 330 means 330. I will tell you. 1 ಕ್ರೋರ್ 1 ಕೋಟಿ 20 ಲಕ್ಷ 30,000 330. Now to tell. Now it comes. Now next is suppose if 221 comes, 335, 1,489. That is how to tell. That we will discuss now. What is 21? 21 don't by heart. 1 to 20, then 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 100. That's only you have to by heart or you have to memorize. Now 21, how 21 will be spelled? 20 means 20, 1 means 1, 20 plus 1, 21, 20 plus 1, 21. Like that 31 means 30 means 30 plus 1, 31. 41, 41 means 40 means 40 plus 1, 41. Suppose if see 51 means 50 means 50 plus 1, 51. Suppose 61, 60 60 plus 1, 61. 60 plus 1, 61. Suppose if you know 21, then immediately 21, 31, 41, 51 is very easy. Now take an example 25. What is 20? 20. What is 5? 5. 20 plus 5, 25. 25. Like that 35 means 30 plus 5, 35. What is 45? 40 plus 5, 45. 25, 35, 45, 55, 65. Once just you remember the 25, then 35, 45, 55, everything is same except. 27 you can take. What is 20? 20. What is 7? 7. 20 plus 7, 27. 20 plus 7, 27. Then 37, 47 like that will be 27. 30 means 30 plus 7, 37. 47, 57, 67 like that you can tell. Suppose if it is 24. What is 24? 20 means 20, 4 means 4, 20 plus 4, 24. 20 plus 4, 24. Then 34, 34, 44, 54, 64, 74, 84, 94, like that it will go. First you remember 20 plus 1, 21, 20 plus 2, 22, 30 plus 2, 32, like that. Once you know 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, same action, same thing will follow. Then we will try some of this one. What is 221? What is 221? 221. What is 2? 2. Nuru means you have to make Noora. 2 Noora. What is 21? 20 means 20 plus 1, 21. 21. 2 ನೂರ 21. 20 plus 1, 21. Suppose if 31, 30 plus 1, 31. Like that it will continue. Next number you will take 333. What is 300? 300 means 300 because it is not continuation is there. 300. 33 means 30 means 30 plus 3. 33. 30 plus 3, 33. 333. Suppose is 43, 40 plus 3, 43. Suppose is 53, 50 plus 3, 53. 63 means 60, 60 means 60 plus 3, 63. 23, 33, 43, 53, 63, 73, 83. Like that it will continue. 63, 73, 83, like that it will continue. 444. 444. 400 means 400. 400. What is 44? 444 means 400. 44. 44 ಮೀನ್ಸ್ 40, 40 ಮೀನ್ಸ್ 40, ಪ್ಲಸ್ 4, ಪ್ಲಸ್ 4, 40 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 4, 44, 44. ದೆನ್ 54 ಮೀನ್ಸ್ 54, 64 ಮೀನ್ಸ್ 64, 74 ಮೀನ್ಸ್ 74, 70 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 4, 74. ಸೊ 444. ಓಕೆ, ದೆನ್ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ 555. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ 500? 500. 55 ಮೀನ್ಸ್ 50 ಮೀನ್ಸ್ 50 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 5 ಮೀನ್ಸ್ 5. 50 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 5 55. 50 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 5 55. ದೆನ್ 65 ಮೀನ್ಸ್ 60 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 5 65, 75, 85, ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಗೋ. 555. 555. 555. Suppose example, now you will take 1237. 1237. What is 1000? 1000. 1000 means 1000. 200 means 200. Some continuation is there. 200. 200. 37 means, what is 30? 30. What is 7? 7. 30 plus 7, 37. 30 plus 7, 37. 47, 40 plus 7, 47. 57, 67, like that it will go. Now 1237 means 1000 means 1237. 1237. Next I will take 9,23,466. 9,23,446. 9 lakh means 9 lakhs. 9 lakhs. 9 lakh means 9 lakhs. 23,000 means, what is 20? 20. What is 3? 3. 20 plus 3, 23. 20 plus 3, 23. 20 means 20. 3 means 3. 23. 23,000. 23,000. Then 466. 466. 466. 466 means 400 means 400. 466 means 60 means 60 means 60 plus 6. 60 plus 6, 66. 60 plus 6, 66. 76 means 76 means 70 plus 6, 76. Like that it will go. Then I will take as 1,22,23,234. 1,22,23,234. What is 1 crore? 1 crore means 1 koti. 1 koti. 1 crore means 1 koti. 22 lakhs. 22 lakhs means, what is 20? 20. What is 2? 2. 20 plus 2, 22 ಲಕ್ಷ. 22 ಲಕ್ಷ. Then 23,000. 23,000 means, what is 20? 20. 3, what is 3? 3. 20 plus 3, 23. 23,000. 23,000. Okay. Next 234. 200 means 200. 200. 34 means 30 plus 4, 34. 30 plus 4, 34. 30 plus 4, 34. 1 ಕೋಟಿ. 22 ಲಕ್ಷ. 23,000. 234. Last one we will take 12 crores. 34 lakhs. 56,789. 12 crores. 12 crores 34 lakhs 56,789. Okay, what is 12 crores? 12 ಕೋಟಿ. 12 crores means 12 ಕೋಟಿ. 34 lakhs, what is 30? 30 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 4, 4 means 4, 30 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 4, 34 ಲಕ್ಷ. 34 ಲಕ್ಷ. 56,000, 50 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 6, 50 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 6, 56, 50 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 6, 56 ಸಾವಿರ, 56,789. 700 means 700, 789 means 789 means what is 80? 80. What is 9? 9. 80 plus 9, 89. 89. That is how 12 crores 12 ಕೋಟಿ 34 ಲಕ್ಷ 56,789. This is how you have to make. Suppose if you are understood, plus take a printout. I think you have taken already. I have circulated. Then go through one by one with your family members or with your friends. I think you can learn very fast how to express these numbers in Kannada language. I hope that I have made some justice. I think I also hope that you understood this lesson. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you very much.